Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Uno app on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device, and once it is opened up, tap on the search box and then type in Uno app and start your search. Once you find the Uno application, go ahead and tap on it, and if you haven't already installed the game, you will see an install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Uno game on your device. Wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you will be able to find the play button. Once you see the play button, you can tap on it and this will open up the Uno game on your device right away. Once it is opened up, you can proceed with logging in to your account or signing up to create a new account in order to enjoy the Uno game on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Uno app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.